Hey there, folks. The Scottsdale Travel Chick here. On this trip, we're in Krakow, Poland. I'm going to give you my detailed review of the Hotel Saski. It's a Curio Collection hotel by Hilton. I'll cover everything from its location to how to get there, different room types, food and beverage options, hotel amenities, and more. Okay, let's get going. Hotel Saski is located in the heart of Old Town Krakow, and it will take you less than a 5-minute walk to get to the Old Town Square of Krakow from the hotel. It's approximately 12 kilometers from Krakow International Airport, and it will take you about 20 minutes depending on traffic. The best way to get from the airport to the hotel is by taxi or the rideshare. Uber is available in Krakow, and the ride will cost you about 76 Polish dollars, which works out to 20 US dollars. Okay, let's talk about the hotel. Hotel Saski is a Hilton Curio Collection hotel, which means it's classy and has some local character. We can certainly attest to that, as you'll see in this review. If you are part of the Hilton's Honors Program, you will receive benefits and points for your stay. Hotel from this side of the street. The building of this hotel is over 200 years old. And just down that way, that is the Old Town Center. It's only 1 block from the main Old Town Plaza at Krakow, where there are dozens of restaurants and bars, and they're all within easy walking distance of the hotel. If you'd like to learn more about all of Krakow's top sites and how to get around, please check out our top-rated Ultimate Visitor Guide for Krakow. We have also added printable and digital guides, making your trip to Krakow that much easier to plan. I'll include the link in the description below this video. Okay, let's talk more about the hotel. This is the Saski Hotel in Krakow. I'm gonna walk you, this is the main entrance. So walk in, and the front desk is immediately behind this wall. Check in here, and the breakfast is to your left here. I'll talk more about the breakfast in the dining section of this video. And out here is a small courtyard. I just wanted to mention a little bit about the parking. There is no parking on the street, so it's valet only. Now let's get to the rooms at Hotel Saski. The hotel has a total of 117 rooms and suites. All of them have street scene views of the nearby buildings. Here's a video of our room. So you walk in, you have your closet space to your left, and a desk. The bathroom is right here. Has walk-in shower, 2 different kinds of shower heads. Everything has this rose gold color. And 1 vanity sink. Toilet in here. And this room is considered their King Deluxe Courtyard room. As you can see in this video, the courtyard, you're just looking at a rooftop. Nothing too special. Here is an upgraded room. So you have a bathroom immediately to your left. So you have a toilet and a sink. And you have a desk area here with a couch, TV, and an extra chair. And then this in here is the bed, king size bed. And then it's nighttime, but you can see here it has a view of the city street below here. And it's pretty quiet up here. And back here, you have your tub. In here, and the vanity, which is again one sink, and shower and toilet in here. Very, very nice. In regards to Wi-Fi, we didn't have any issues with the Wi-Fi anywhere at the hotel. Next, I'll talk about the hotel's dining and bar options, as well as the primary amenities. But before I do, just a quick break to say, if you're enjoying this video, please give us a thumbs up, an encouraging comment, following our channel, and maybe even consider forwarding this to some of your friends. Any of these are a big help to our channel. Now let's cover the dining and bar options at the Hotel Saski. There are 4 options. Their primary restaurant is Regal Restaurant, and it's on the lobby floor. Breakfast is served here from 6:30 to 11 a.m. And it's a nice breakfast buffet with a classy feel. We really liked it. You can have a buffet every day, and Tuesday through Thursday you can order a la carte. And this is in this fridge over here, you've got your cheese and meats and yogurts. And your hot foods over here, hash browns, these are baked veggies, beans, and scrambled eggs. Kind of ready. Breakfast area is here. And then it's also up these stairs. We really enjoyed our breakfast, and the restaurant is just nice and relaxing. The next option is the Knott's Room, and that's for private dining. If you are interested in this, you will need to make a reservation. Just call the front desk to inquire. They have a nice patio area that I mentioned earlier. Saski Garden is a quiet and peaceful place. It has a cozy atmosphere and an elegant decor with live music concerts. It's the perfect spot to relax and have a cup of tea. Finally, the Regal Bar is just off the front door to the left and next to the restaurant. It's a chill and relaxed place, and it's open from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Here's a pro tip. There's a fun pastry and dessert shop that's connected to the hotel. Make sure to try out this place. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. By the way, there is a lot to see and do in Krakow. I'll list some of our favorite day trips in the description below this video. Okay, our final section here is just a bit on the Hotel Saski's amenities. It's a smaller hotel, so there's not as many amenities, just basically a gym, pool, and spa. The gym is a good-sized gym with plenty of space to stretch. There's also a large pool that is heated with lots of mirrors. This was my favorite place in the entire hotel. It was just nice and relaxing. And they have that spa, and it's called Saski Spa. They have massages and facials here, so if that's something you want to do, you should book that ahead of time. Okay, with all of that, I have finished my review of the Hotel Saski. And now it's time for my overall Scottsdale travel check score. We found Hotel Saski to be very relaxing and an upscale stay. It feels very deluxe and it has an excellent location in the walkable Old Town, very close to the main square, and tons of dining, shopping, and nightlife options. We enjoyed our stay very much and give the Hotel Saski a score of 9 out of 10. Would definitely return again if given the chance. Hope you enjoyed our review, and please be sure to check out our Ultimate Visitor Guide to Krakow. So, until next time, see you later.